Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Xbox app not downloading or installing on Windows 11. First method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type WS Reset, click OK. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Windows Update, click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.